Hello there, I'm a member of the training team, and today I'm going to teach you about your DPA, or Dream Practice Analysis. Your DPA is a report that our company creates to show you how using our system over time improves your practice's profitability. We provide this report to you so that you can see how using the system can help you create your dream practice. A careful study of your DPA will reveal areas where your practice is succeeding and where you may need some improvement. We will provide your practice with a DPA when you first start working with us. As we continue to work together, we can provide further DPAs so you can see the overall performance of your practice. This is an example DPA we have for this video. As you can see, much of the information is from the system, while some of the information we need to gather from your practice. Some examples of information that you must provide to us are your monthly hours of operation and your average administrative hourly rate. An example of information that can be gathered from the system is how many active patients that you currently have. Let's go to Reports, Patients, and then Patient List. You can find this information in the patient list by entering a no in the discharge field and pressing enter. If you are not up to date on discharging inactive patients, this list can be further refined by filtering the last visit column to see which patients have been in the past X number of months. For your initial DPA, this type of information would have to be pulled from your previous system or estimated yourself. As you can see, this report is created from a great deal of data. We provide two pie charts and a graph with several main areas of interest to provide a quick and concise picture of how your practice is doing. Notice the first large pie chart towards the right-hand side of the screen. This chart explains how using our system could overall help this mock practice. The areas of interest include management savings, documentation savings, claims processing savings, patient relationship growth, and billing performance growth. The different areas of interest are color-coded and they are explained here in this legend. You'll notice these areas are also listed in the spreadsheet highlighted in blue. Underneath the blue heading are all the numbers that make up the final number for that area in the pie chart. Let's look at a quick example. To arrive at your documentation savings, we look at your average minutes documenting per visit, monthly documentation loss comparison, annual documentation loss comparison, and 10 years documentation loss comparison. These numbers make up the documentation savings, which appears in red in the pie chart. Your DPA compares your current numbers to the billing company's average numbers. Your first DPA will reflect the numbers before you began using the system. Your second DPA after you've been working with us will show you your new numbers so that you can compare the two different reports and see how much you've improved. As you enter in new numbers or edit this spreadsheet, the pie charts change to reflect the new data. For example, let's look at one number that makes up the billing performance part of your pie chart. The monthly AR greater than 120 days can be found under Reports, then Billing Analytics, and then Aging. Run the search by financial class, since this number is only referring to insurance claims. You will want to run it by the total AR balance, since you are looking for a whole number. After you enter your search criteria at the bottom of the page, click Search. Then you will have to take out the PT data. You can do this in two ways. You can subtract the PT total from the AR over 120 total. You can also simply out the PT field by entering does not equal in the filtering section in the financial class field and pressing enter. This symbol means does not equal. This is what their AR over 120 days is right now without the PT. The last way to filter PT data is to check the box at the bottom right-hand side of the screen that says Bilco Responsibility Only, and then run the report. Please note, checking this box will filter out any balances that the billing team is not working on, including in-house payers, or if you do PIP claims in-house. Entering a 0 in here will change the total for this section and the pie chart. Our mock practice is at 0, so there is no room for improvement in this case. Underneath this pie chart, you will find a smaller pie chart that displays where you are spending most of your time. These categories include the net time per visit, claim time per visit, doc time per visit, and management time per visit. When we provide you with other DPAs after you start with us, this chart will tell you how using the system has improved how efficient your practice is by reducing the amount of time it takes to get tasks done. Now the last graph underneath the small pie chart shows your total opportunity, total fees, and total net opportunity. It provides a visual representation of the information in light purple here at the bottom of the summary. Well, that's all there is to this video. We hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, go ahead and click like at the bottom of the page. Goodbye for now and have a great day.